So this is a continued part of electrolysis first video. So here in this we are going to take up with the electrolysis, how this electrolysis will take in place and how this method actually we are implicating. So that we need to read. So first word we need to take up, it's of potentiality. So here okay, so that is potentiality. Potentiality means how much resistivity that electrode can resist. So in that, if we are considering the cathode potentiality and anode potentiality, so cathode potentiality it will give, and we are taking the standard and one more cations. So here cathode potentiality we are getting the, for water it's of minus 0.83 volts, and for sodium it's minus 2.71, and for water potentiality for anode we will get water potentiality for anode I am saying about, it's of plus 1.23 volts, and for your chloride seems to be anion, so for this we will get plus 1.36 volts. So you need to focus on this. So here the electron, if we are losing an electron, the potentiality will lose, so you will get minus 1. So minus thing. So here if the electrons are seems to be gaining, if the electrons are receiving from the rods, so it will give an positive volts, that is positive potentiality. So you should remember these differences. So if it is seems to be negative, it's the electron seems to be losing, that is of cation, that seems to be cation. If the positive volts you will get or positive potentiality you will get, it is of anode, the electrons we are receiving. So and one more you need to remember the word, that is over voltage. Yes, the word is a simple way we can understand easily, that is over voltage means excess voltage will produce. So you need to see now how it will produce and where we need to produce and what it will do. So these three things you need to read about this. Over voltage means it's an additional voltage. It's an additional voltage required to produce a potentiality develop in between your electrodes. So ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಾಲಿಟಿನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿನಿಮಲ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಯುವರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಲಿಸಿಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ to maintain the rate of electron transfer. So the extra electron, so ಈಗ ಈ volts ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so this voltage will be utilized for the rate of reaction, for the rate of electron transfer, So are you getting my point? This over voltage or additional voltage, it's utilized in the formation of the transferring of your electrons in the electrolytic method. So this is the basic things whatever we are reading, we are studying in this video. So these two videos is especially for the basic things of electrolysis. So let us go with the concept of how we are going to take up with the electrolysis. Before that I need to tell you one more word, that is redox reaction. So what do you mean by redox reaction? The word suggests that ric and dox, it means to say reduction and oxidation will taking place in one reaction. So one atom or an ion should give the electron and that electron should receive by the one more. If both the things are present in one container or one system, that system we are going to set it as redox reaction, and we'll get the yield like the thing which having it's of balancing reaction, because one is ready to give and that electrons are received by the one more atom. So for that we are going to tell it is of such a reaction, it's of having the kind of redox reaction. So the reduction and oxidation both are going to take up in one reaction. So for this we can give the example for half reaction and all. So that and all we will discuss in our next videos. Thank you.